this is their classroom. This is K2. K3 classrooms. This is how their classroom looks like. You can see here tables outside. That's because lunchtime they will eat here outside their classroom. And you can see all those boards, colorful ones, right? And they have notice for the parents, like that. And also, they leave their shoes outside. Okay, so nakikita nyo, I'm wearing black now because for this month, kailangan namin mag-wear ng black kasi yung parang officers nila dito sa Thailand ay namatay kaya kailangan namin mag-wear. Tsaka iwan na natin yung shoes natin. Pasok na tayo. Ang lamig. Ang lamig ng room nito. Ikaw lang ba? Okay, so this is their classroom. This is K2. K3 classrooms. This is how their classroom looks like. They have here compartments for their bags. Like that. And doon yung mga bags nila. Tsaka meron din silang mga ano to doy? Mga blankets and pillows. Ayan. Pareho sila, uniform sila lahat ng color ng blankets at saka pillows. Meron din silang mga meron din silang baso, toothbrush, towels, lahat yan. May numbers din sila at saka names nila dito nakalagay. Ayan. So, very neat. Ayan. Meron din silang board. Meron din silang board. At saka ito yung smart board ninyo doy, no? Ito yung smart board nila. Kung nakikita nyo yung tour video ko sa library, kids library, meron din yun doon. So, lahat ng mga classrooms dito, merong smart board. Smart board na yung gamit. Tsaka merong TV, merong projector. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Projector, at saka whiteboard. At saka kasi kindergarten, kailangan yung mga letters ay malalaki. Diba? Malalaki. Ayan, dapat colorful, mga pictures. Merong mga books din dito. At meron din silang mga laruan. Kasi mga bata, pag break time, meron silang laruan. Tingnan nyo, ayan. Nakalagay din yung mga laruan nila. Pero, kapag it's time to play, dito sila sa area na ito. Okay. Ayan, laruan. At dito yung teacher nila. Si Teacher Popsy. Meron din siyang YouTube. Popsy is cool. Lalagay ko sa description below yung YouTube niya. Paki-follow naman. Yes.
Thank you.
He shoots travel videos and food. So, interesting din yun. Lalo na dito sa Thailand na places. So, please subscribe to his channel also. Okay, I have a question because, Teacher Popsy, I have a question because your classroom doesn't have... Teka lang muna kasi may bisita. Okay, yung classroom nila, walang tables, walang chairs. Bakit yung classroom ninyo, Teacher Popsy, walang tables at saka walang chairs?
Kasi sila, mga kindergartens. They are not, hindi pa sila masyado mag-right. They should be on the floor.
So they sit on the floor, right? Pero bakit sa Philippines, yung mga kindergarten classroom doon, merong mga tables?
Diba kasi dito sa Thailand?
Siyempre mga private siguro walang tables.
Yung mga, yung mga preschools, saka yung mga maliliit, they should be on the floor.
So, sa sahig lang sila nakaupo at saka merong pala yung sahig nila, tingnan nyo. Nakikita nyo, yung sahig nila merong carrots.
Pictures.
Pictures ng mga fruits. Ayan. Tapos doon. Tsaka doon din sa kabila, meron din. Merong mga ganyan kasi yung mga bata nila, sorry naman yung anggon. Yung mga bata nila, merong groups. So, alam na nila, pictures yung nilagay ng mga prutas kasi alam na nila kung saan sila uupo. No? Sige, punta kayo doon. Yung grupo nyo apple, yung grupo nyo carrots, yung grupo nyo, ano ba yan? Kiwi, at saka cherries, at cucumber. Ayun. So, alam na nila yun. Right? Ayan. So, ayun. At, ayan. Ay, meron pala silang mga points.
Yeah.
So, pag rewards. Oh. So, pag cherries yan?
Yeah, cherry.
Pag cherries ka at nanalo kayo, behave kayo,
Yes.
ganyan dito ng mga
They have
you have the mga sequence dyan. Kasi at the end of the year,
they're going to make an art.
Yeah. At the end of the year, they were going to make an art and they're going to have awards, to receive awards. No?
Oh, ito yung mga awards nila. So kung konti lang yung makukuha nila. And then when they get home at the end of the year, konti lang yung rewards nila. And the mom will see that they're not doing good.
And I have a question, teacher.
Yes.
How long have you been here in Thailand?
Almost half of my adult life.
Almost half of his adult life, so that's 20 years.
Almost. Getting there.
Mga 15 years.
15 years.
15 years, grabe.
Yeah, here in Thailand.
Tagal yun na. Kasi before ako nakapunta dito sa school na ito, he's the only Filipino teacher in this school. So, he was the one, he was, dumating ako dito, wala na siya.
Wala na siya?
Oo, wala na siya. So, he was the one who meet me up at the gate. Yeah. At nagsama sa pag-interview ko dito. Dito lang kami nagkakilala sa school na ito.
She was good. She's doing great. Yeah.
So, ito yung life namin. At saka, ano na pala ako dito? 7 years. Siya, 15 years.
Yes.
Diba? Ang tagal niya na dito. So, Teacher Popsy, since you are here for 15 years already, can you speak Thai?
A little bit, yes.
Yes.
I can understand.
Can you read Thai?
No.
He cannot read, but he can speak and he can understand.
I can understand.
Yes. But for me, I cannot. So they have also here colorful letters below their board.
This is the English alphabet.
English. English alphabets over there, and on the other side is the Thai alphabet. So mas marami yung alphabet nila kaysa sa English alphabet.
44.
Yeah,
44
yeah.
characters.
44 characters.
So this is the birthday.
Meron silang birthday board pero walang mga pictures
May lamok. May lamok sa classroom.
Wala pang pictures muna. At saka, ang dami lang aircons dito. Dalawa, tingnan nyo. Kaya ang lamig. Ayan. So, meron din silang water jug.
Yes.
Water jug sa mga bata.
Yung mga milk.
Tsaka meron din silang free milk every day.
Yeah.
Free milk from the government every day. Ayan. At saka, yan, mga bottles ng mga bata. At saka mga papers ng mga teachers.
Mga books namin. Namin. Over here.
Oh, dyan. Mga uniforms.
flashcards.
Anong gagawin nyo dito?
We're gonna make an art out of this one. And then we're gonna give it to the... Because we have, meron kaming program for welcoming the new students, the Anuban 1. I know, Anuban 2. So we're gonna make this an art, a craft, and then give it to them. So it's like a token of welcoming the new students for this year.
So thank you so much, Teacher Popsy, and see you on my next tour sa school namin. Bye!